San Diego's only News at 4, only on NBC 7 San Diego.
Good afternoon, I'm Catherine Garcia.
And I'm Christine Haas. We begin with the wife of Coney 2012 creator and Invisible Children co-founder Jason Russell, who says he's been diagnosed with a condition called brief reactive psychosis. Russell was detained by police last Thursday in Mission Bay naked and rambling on a busy street corner.
NBC 7 Stephen Lucas here with some new information, Stephen, that's really helping to shed some light on this incident.
Well, if what Jason Russell's wife says is true, then doctors say it does explain something that just days ago seemed unexplainable. From the beginning, Jason Russell's supporters said it was stress from the attention and scrutiny of his viral video and not drugs or alcohol that caused his public breakdown. In her second public statement, Russell's wife said Wednesday the preliminary diagnosis he received is called brief reactive psychosis, an acute state brought on by extreme exhaustion, stress, and dehydration.
If his coping skills are lessened, if his blood sugar is off, he's not going to be as coherent. If he's dehydrated, his brain's not going to be working properly. If he's sleep deprived, all of those compound the problem.
Scripps clinical psychologist George Pratt says the problem is something typically so overwhelming to the person, it shatters their ability to cope or process information.
With the person that we're talking about, if he believed very strongly in something and that was really his reason for being, and he was attacked or he lost face, that could be so overwhelming that it shattered his reality.
Pratt says some initial studies involved soldiers after World War I and World War II, who at the time showed bizarre behavior on the battlefield.
The common symptoms are delusions, hallucinations, disorganized behavior, and strange speech patterns.
He says in some cases patients have little recollection of the actual episode. The good news, according to Pratt, is with treatment, total recovery is common and can typically take less than a few months.
He will recover. It's a real deal. And, but for the grace of God go I. We all can be stretched to our breaking point.
Russell's wife also said he'll remain under hospital care for a number of weeks, and it will be months before he returns to his role with Invisible Children. Stephen Luke, NBC 7 San Diego.